Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to teach you about the sortables, another interesting feature of the jQuery UI. So how to do and what to do. I'm just going there. You can see that I just applied the classes of the div1 and they're there also looking awesome. So what to do, I'm just going there, pressing enter, and then you know that the basic jQuery syntax. And what I just want to do, select the main div as the selector, the main div, okay, and there the sortable. But how to know that the sortable has been applied? Because exactly the sortable will make these elements sortable. So this should be A, B, C, D. Save. Now I'm just going to change the background color because I just want to make something really interesting. I'm just making this silver color. So save and refresh. Now these are the silver color elements, and I just want to make the text align as center. Save and go back and refresh. Now you can see that all these elements in a center, the text basically. Now you can see that I just can pick the element and I just cannot drop it anywhere. You can see that I'm just going but nothing is doing, but I'm just picking up and just dropping after the B. So now the B, A, C, D. Do you want to get the D at the top? So pick that up and just place this as the top. So now they are on the top, exactly, looking awesome. You can pick the C and just place the C after the D. So now D, C, B, A. So in this way you can sort out your elements, or your user can sort out your elements, the website's elements, easily. It just cannot drag and drop. You just cannot say this drag and drop, because exactly you just cannot place this element anywhere. Only you can replace the places. Actually you can exchange the elements with each other. Why not just apply some more features of the sortable? Yeah, exactly, I just want to apply. So simply right now what I'm just doing, just simply copying the main div and pasting there. And now this one is the main div 2, okay, and these elements should be the 2 in class, okay. So the 2, 2 and 2 and the 2. So now just duplicate that one, the div 1. Now this should be div 2, and what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna change the color to orange, okay, and everything should be same. But one thing more, this should be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, not A, B, C, D, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So refresh. Now you can see that these both elements. One thing more I just want to do, I just want to apply the, I'm just going to call the main div here, okay, and the float left. This is what I just want to apply and duplicate. And now the div 2 also, they both should be float left. And now refresh. Now they both are in front of each other. So now you can see that what I just want to teach you, I'm just going there, I can duplicate that, duplicate. Now the div 2, I just apply the sortable with the div 2 also. So refresh. Now pick this element and just place anywhere, but you cannot pick the C and just can place in the sortable 2, the div 2, you cannot. And you can also do the same in the div 2, in the main div 2, but again you just cannot pick the element from this and can paste there. So if you just want to make the connection between both of them, so what to do, just go to the notepad back, and first of all I'm just removing this one. This is not necessary, just add a comma and add the second selector. This is another interesting feature, the div 2. Now the sortable has been applied with the both of them without calling the function again. So refresh. Now you can see that both of them has the same function, but it's still they're not connected with each other. So how to make them connected? Just add a class here, class. I'm just typing here the linking. I can type anything, but I'm just typing here the linking, and I just need to add the same class on a div 2 also, the linking, okay. The both classes must be the same, the main div's classes, the linking and the linking. And now I'm just going there, and here, do you remember how to make this in a perfect way? To make the object, add a curly braces and then the connect with, the W should be capital, as you know, the connect with. And now I just want to make the connection between the linking. The both of the linking are now called here. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now pick this one and place there. It's still not working, so go back. And I just need to mention that this is a class, not an ID. So save, and I'm just going back to the browser and refreshing. Now pick the A and place in this place. Now you can see that the first one has been removed, but now there is a solution for that too. Refresh that again and go back to the notepad, and here on a main div 1 I'm just adding a comma, and I'm adding any specific border 1px solid and gray or the silver. Okay, silver is perfect. Silver. Add a semicolon and add some other value after the border and some specific padding. So the padding I just want to add around 20 pixels. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. The border is not visible, so go back to the notepad and 1px solid and silver. Oh, here I just need to add a comma now. The semicolon, sorry, not the comma. Let's just copy this and paste this there too, and add a semicolon and save. Now go back and refresh. Now they both has a specific border, you can see that. One thing more I just want to add, I'm just adding a simple margin here, the margin right, because I'm just adding a margin to the main div, and I'm just adding the 20 pixels margin. Save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now it is pretty awesome. Let's just pick the element. I'm just picking up the A and placing there. Now you can see that the space is little low. Now pick this one, and pick this one. Now however, it just lost all its space, but now it has a value. But what we can do is we can place this again. Can you see that? It is pretty perfect. Pick that back again, and now you can see that the box is now very small. Let's just pick this B and place there. But to make it more perfect, just add the width also. I'm just adding the 250px width. You can add the appropriated width which is required. Refresh now. Pick the elements, and now this is empty, but now pick any of the element and place there easily. This is what I just want to teach you. Awesome. Great. So do the same with the second one. Just pick the width and place the width there also, and let's just start learning the widgets. So goodbye, stay